Bonjour les amis! Today we'll be multiplying by 2. And it's almost as easy as multiplying by 1, but you just have a little bit more to think about. Alright, let's start with, let's say, 2 times 5 equals 2 fois 5 égale. Well, if we have 2 times 5, that would be 5 plus 5. Perhaps we're counting fingers on 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you know your doubles, you know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 égale 10. Let's try another question. 2 times 7 equals, well, 2 times 7 is like 7 plus 7. And if you know your doubles, 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 7 égale 14. So you see it? Multiplying by 2 is quite easy once you get the hang of it.